Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life, and if you're looking for affordable movie-style popcorn at home, then stay watching. I have something to share with you. Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. So guys, I have in front of me the Carnival King. It's only a 4-ounce popper, but let me tell you, this little thing runs really well. I purchased it with the all-in-one popcorn kit. This has oil, popcorn, and seasoning, so it's all in one packet. And this is perfect for a 4-ounce machine like what I have in front of me. Before I start demonstrating, this little popper comes with the actual scooper itself and some measuring little containers inside here as well. And of course, your little handy dandy instructions. Now I must admit, we had to go ahead, and I'm not very handy when it comes to putting things together, but my husband was able to get the kettle set up the right way. In my opinion, the instructions were a little unclear on connecting this together because this was separated. He had to go ahead and put this little thing together. So as far as the instructions for the kettle is concerned, if you're very handy, which I am not, it will probably be no time for you to put this together. But it took us a moment just to get this together, but once we got this thing plugged in and it was all working, we got thumbs up for this. I'm gonna go in and clip this and pour all of the yummy, yummy stuff inside. And I can't figure out an easier way to do this. So I'm sure some of you out there would take the time to take the kettle out, but I don't have that kind of time to take the kettle out. So I'm just going to do my best to get it all poured in and hope I don't make a mess. So guys, as this pops right now, yummy, yummy. It's been about 4 minutes before this actual batch came out. So I would honestly say it takes about 4 to 5 minutes for a batch to pop. I think it's done right now. Yep, I think it's done. I'm gonna stop it and there you have it, guys. Delicious, yummy, theater tasting, buttery popcorn in under 5 minutes. I don't think it gets any better than this, guys. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Smooches until next time, guys. And I'm gonna continue eating my popcorn. Good stuff, guys.